Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And yes, this is Freebie Monday. We got to watch faces for you people. This is coming out of the Gear Manager store. Easy to find, but we will still leave the link in the description down below. Now, know that this is for a limited time offer, so make sure you download right after the video. Cool? All right, let's start off with watch face number one. Now, number one is called Texture White 2 Renewal. Now, all the watch faces that we're going to review are going to be by Sam Watch. We got 3 in the lineup. And with this one, it's a nice white daytime watch face. Now, you're going to get 3 dials. One is going to give you step information. That's the one to the left. To the right of that, you're going to get your battery info. And down at the bottom, you will get your seconds. Up at the top, you're going to get a nice moon phase. And the watch face is interactive, so if you need to set an alarm, you can. You tap over here, you'll be able to get your calendar, set an event. And if I tap down here, I can change the color theme of the watch face. Just cycle through the many different colors that this watch face has to offer, and you're in there. Don't forget, your date is right here. A nice traditional analog watch face. What do you think, people? Of course, remember, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know your thoughts on this one. Number 2 is called Sam Watch Digital XI Renewal. Now, this one is a digital watch face. You're going to get all the information you need. Up at the top, you will get your day of the week, your date. You come down, you're going to get a nice big bold digital time, animated seconds. And right here, you are going to get your moon phase, which isn't bad. And down at the bottom, you're going to get your step info, miles walked around. You are going to get your battery info at the bottom as well. So I'm thinking, people, this isn't a bad look for a digital watch face. Now, I can customize the color theme of the watch face. You guys may like this. Not bad at all. What do you think? Right, you all. You know what you need to do. Hit me in the comment section down below and let's check out watch face number 3. Watch face number 3. Now, this one is my favorite out of the whole lineup. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. I would like to know which one you like the most. Now, the name of the watch face is called Digital Towel. It's a very nice looking digital watch face. It's going to give you all the information you can ever want to need. A nice watch face for a casual day and or a work week. Not bad at all. And if you look up at the top, what you're going to get is the developer's name, and you come down, you will get the day of the week. You're going to get your date, a nice big bold digital time. You come down, you get your heart rate information, floors climb. You're also going to get your battery percentage way down at the bottom, and you do get shortcuts. So if I tap right here, I can get the weather. Did you see how many degrees it is outside over here? Let's go back. Yes, this is what I'm dealing with, people. Okay, and right here we get you can set your alarm, and you can go to your calendar, set an event, and you can also find your phone. So he gave us a lot of shortcuts that I like. The watch face definitely stands out, and if I double tap, I can customize the color theme of the watch face to whichever color I like, depending on what I'm wearing for the day. This isn't a bad look for a free watch face, but at the end of the day, people, what do you think? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe. It is okay. And hit the like button on the way out. And I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.